Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ada here again, and today we are going to be cleaning. If you notice in this video, you can see that this place looks different. So yeah, this place looks different. Let's leave it that way, okay? So yeah, we're going to be cleaning, and we just kind of like recently moved, so I have things all over the place. Things are not arranged properly and all of that. But as you keep on going, as you keep watching my video, you will definitely see the changes and everything that I did to the house and all of that. So yeah, this is how messy it is. Imagine having this messy house with a newborn and everything. It was just such a mess. So welcome back to my channel, guys. Yeah, I'm back on uploading videos again because I've got myself together now. So yeah, let's get into the cleaning. So I started off from the living room. I'm going to be clearing out everything as much as I can, to be honest. I'm just going to be clearing up everything as much as I can, and yeah, the place it's just such a mess. Honestly, it's such a mess. Moving, doing this and that, having a newborn and all of that, it's just a whole lot. But thank God we are getting it together, and you guys really need to see how it looks right now, and I'm so excited. But just keep watching. If you're new on here, welcome to my channel. My name is Ada, and I do everything: cleaning, motivation, organization, you know, all of the good stuff, some mom vlogs and all of that. So, and I do hauls as well, like grocery hauls, Amazon, all my Amazon hauls. Yeah, I order a whole lot from Amazon, and I do a whole lot of groceries. So if that looks like the kind of video you like, to go ahead and click the subscribe button down, and I'll definitely be happy. I'm happy to have you guys here. We'll definitely be happy to have you join our family. Thank you guys so much for all the support. Like, you guys, I am just happy my channel is growing. It might not be as fast as I want, but it's really, at least it's moving. Okay, so thank you guys. can see the whole moving boxes and everything is just a whole lot. So man, so in the middle of cleaning I had to stop as well to feed the baby and then continue my cleaning again. Laundry to the laundry room, and I hate that the laundry room is downstairs, like on the third floor, like down. I have to go all the way down to take the laundry, and you can see my little helpers. Like, my kids are amazing, I'm not even going to lie. My kids are so amazing. You can see my little boy helping me grab things and all. Yeah. So I'm just going to quickly go put this in the laundry and then go back up to start cleaning. And now we are in their room, and for now they just have this one bed on here and everything. So you can see them doing their thing, cleaning up. Like, you guys, children really do what they see you do, not really what you tell them to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like this video, leave a comment down, and also subscribe if you have not done so. Subscribe on the click on the red button down and subscribe to join the family. You're welcome to join us. Thank you guys so much for watching. This video is coming to an end. Of course, watch it till the end, and then yeah, I'll definitely see you guys in my next video.